Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwividiyo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enisikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisisapothe njalo ngokubuka amavidiyo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela-ke singene kwividiyo namuhla. Breaking news. Ama-rumors abuwakhona ngodaba luka-Floyd Shivambu ukuthi akasezukuba uzosuswa ekubeni u-Secretary General, uzodeploywa to eParliament, aqala ukuvela evezwa u-breakdown. Sakhuluma ngawo, kodwa namhlanje kuqinisekisiwe. Ngithe nje i-MK Party keep i-statement. Ngesho akasezukusifunda i-statement. Into engizoyenza, ngizocaphuna amazwi ka-president we-political party okuwu-former president we-country Jacob Zuma. Emveni kwalapho ngicaphune amazwi kaBaba uNathi Nhleko. Angazi ukuthi uyindaba komkhonto wesizwe phakathi. Uma ngiphuma lapho bese ngicaphuna amazwi kaFloyd, kungenzeka kungabi ngamavidiyo kodwa kuzoba ividiyo le kaBaba uNhleko. Lami engizowacaphuna nje ngoba isaqhubeka i-conference, kodwa ngithi angikurekhodele lezi zinto ube updated ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngicela uzwe la.
We thought it was important to talk about what has happened in terms of what people were saying. After our SG had visited Malawi, there were quite a number of things that came. We received a lot of letters from, what do you call them? Civil society. Was it the civil society? I doubt. No. Huh?
MJC.
MJC, yes. MJC. They were complaining. There were quite a number of letters that came unhappy. They said a number of things. Because we were busy, this party, Mkhonto Wesizwe, was a very, very busy party. So we did not have time to leave what we were doing and jump to say what is happening. So we continued doing our work. They came, I think, almost 3 times worried about this. So we had to feel that if there are people in the country who feel not good about what has happened, without them knowing the details, it was important that we tell the country what has happened and why this, why do we take this decision? Because we have to respect the population, that we are very serious to tell them that they must vote for us, all of them. They must understand. And I'm sure as we sit here, if I look in your eyes, there'll be very few who will not vote for Mkhonto Wesizwe. So we thought it was important that we should take into account, given the fact that, as you heard in our statement, that there are rules we have. And there were people who were then talking, and we thought we should then have this to alert the country and tell them, even those who have been saying, what is this? Others were talking about how those people or that person in particular in that country, what are the relations with people in the Middle East and everything. And we thought it was important just to clarify the issues, but also respect the people that we say we stand for, and therefore take the decisions that we took. And I think that is closes the matter. And there is no problem. We took the decision on our behalf for our good reasons, which were discussed in our meeting. I heard that other people were asking, what else did you discuss? I mean, it's confidential if we meet. Otherwise, we would always be meeting at the rank where everybody sees and hear what we say. We have taken that decision, and there is nothing wrong. We were just saying this is what's supposed to be. We also had to look at what has done to our rules, etc. It's as simple as that. The only thing we're doing was to alert the country what we are saying on this one to close that matter. It's as simple as that. So we thank you very much.
Njengoba umuzwa kuPresident womkhonto wesizwe party okuwuformer president weCountry Jacob Zuma echaza isizathu esenza ukuthi bagcine bethathe lesinqumo sokuthi uFloyd Shivambu bamsuse uSecretary General bamredeploy bamuse eParliament futhi uzochaza kubaba uNathi Nhleko ukuthi njengoba ngenxa ukuthi une-experience banethemba lokuthi uzocontributor so sizobona ngapha asikakezwa-ke ukuthi uSecretary General womkhonto wesizwe party ngabe kuzoba umfeka na njengokusho ka-breakdown silinda umkhonto wesizwe party usazise kodwa kwamanje sinazisa zona njengoba zenzeka manje ngithi-ke angikucaphunela ubaba uNathi Nhleko bese ngikucaphunela yena uFloyd emukela isinqumo lesi noma ephawula ngesinqumo lesi esesithathwe iqembu umkhonto wesizwe party ngicela uzwe la.
Deliberations of the national officials, the matter pertaining to the recent trip undertaken by the Secretary General, Floyd Shivambu, to Malawi was reflected upon. After lengthy discussions, excuse me, and considerable inputs from the national officials, it was concluded that the actions of the Secretary General were found to be against the spirit and prescripts of the MK party in constitution. Most specifically, Section 3J, subsection J, under the section that deals with offenses, which stipulates the following, and that's subsection J, undertaking international trips and participating in activities and programs that are opposed to the agenda of the MK party or allied party. Noting that on the 12th of March 2025, the Republic of Malawi's Chief Resident Magistrate delivered a ruling that granted the South African Republic's request for the extradition. It is common knowledge that Bishop Shepherd Bushiri and his wife Mary Bushiri skipped bail and are to return to South Africa to stand trial on various charges. Based on the deliberations by national officials, it was confirmed that the trip was not officially sanctioned, was not an officially sanctioned program of the organization or the president, which therefore goes against the constitution of the party. The MK party and its leadership has been approached by members of various sectors of civil society and has taken due consideration of the gravity of this matter. Due to the various nature of this matter and its implications for the party, its image, values, and principles, the president and national officials were left with no other option but to act swiftly in addressing this matter. Consequently, as a responsible organization accountable to its electorate and the broader society, the national officials have come to a decision to redeploy Commander Floyd Shivambu as the Secretary General of the party and redeploying him to the National Assembly. Excuse me. We believe that his redeployment will strengthen the MK party caucus as the official opposition, as Commander Floyd Shivambu carries a wealth of experience as a former member of parliament. We would like to thank and acknowledge Commander Shivambu's contribution.
Njengoba umuzwa kubaba uNathi Nhleko ebeka ukuthi uFloyd Shivambu uhambo lwakho le Malawi uphule iconstitution le yabhalwa nguye iphulwe nguye ke iconstitution so ngaleso sizathu bathatha isinqumo ke ngokubonisana behlangene njengoba i-National High Command behlangene ukuthi cha akasuswe lapha as u-Secretary General womkhonto wesizwe party. Isizathu esenza ukuthi ngiqale ngamazwi President uJacob Zuma ukuthi uchazile ukuthi into ebihamba phambili image noma ukubukeka kweqembu imkhonto wesizwe party. So isinqumo lesi basithathe ngoba bevikela i-image yomkhonto wesizwe party. Yilokho engithi ngicabanga ukuthi ngikuzwile noma kukuningi akushilo nezathu ayishilo nokulalela kama complaints wabantu njengoba bengabantu abafuna ukuthi abantu babavotele kufuneka babalalela abantu. Sizocaphuna ke manje amazwi kaFloyd njengoba kuphume lesinqumo bese siyivala le video kodwa ngiyafisa ukuza ukuphawula kwakho ukuthi wena uthini. Injabulo ke engale ku-EFF ingaphezulu kokucabanga kwethu. Athi ngikukhombise la njengoba ubona umuntu obhale le post uma iphuma nje lo mbiko bekusixolisile egcilishe okukhombisa ukuthi ngibone nama video abawafakile nama fighters amaningi le video nje ngifakile kaBaba uNathi Inhleko yibona abayikhiphile bayifaka lapha nale ka Floyd bayikhipha bayifaka ngoba bekhombisa injabulo yabo ngishilo ekuqaleni ngathi bathandazela ukuwa ka Floyd angiphume ke kubo singene la.
No, thank you very much, national spokesperson and the national officials, the president. I want to take this opportunity to thank the president, President Jacob Gedleyihlekisa Zuma, and the leadership of Umkhonto weSizwe and the membership for having assigned me a very important role to become a national organizer and then Secretary General. I want to confirm that the national officials have taken a decision which I fully accept as a disciplined member of Umkhonto weSizwe. We've been redeployed to the National Assembly and will continue to play the role of advancing the agenda and program of Umkhonto weSizwe. It has been an invaluable roles that we have played and a humbling experience that we have been assigned by the president. I want to thank him for leading the program of unification of all the progressive forces in South Africa. That is the agenda that we're going to continue to pursue. I think that will clarify the issues that pertains to this. And on behalf of myself and everyone else who is involved, we want to regret that the decision in terms of the visit to Malawi was not consistent with the constitution of Umkhonto weSizwe, as is reflected in the statement. And we fully accept the new responsibility. Will continue to play a role and build the organization towards the 2026 local government elections and towards the 2/3 majority victory in the 2029 general elections. Thank you very much, Comrade President. We really appreciate the role that you have given us and the redeployment, the confidence that you continue to show even when we falter in terms of some of the issues that we deal with at personal level. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Izona-ke indaba lezi esizizwayo ngomkhonto wesizwe party osukwini lanamuhla. Bengithi nje angikulethele zona uzithole zinjengoba zinjalo. Ngiyacela ukuzwa ngawe ukuthi wena ngesingawubona kanjani. Kuningi okukhulunywa namuhla, kuningi. Icommittee leli elikhuluma indaba yefinance lihleli, udaba le-EFF lisenkantolo namuhla, udaba ngibonile ukuthi isafa nayo iseparliament. So kuningi ingakho ngithi lolu daba lolu angilethule manje ukuze ngizokwazi ukuthi kufika lesa sikhathi ngibe sengazi ukuthi ngiqedile.